Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome to the Garden Plant and Flowers channel, and today we are going to grow some cutting of this beautiful plant Iresine. It is also called bloodleaf plant, and you can see how beautiful it is, and the color of the foliage is very beautiful. It has grown for a full season, and now I am going to take some cuttings and cut back this plant, and I will show you how to make cuttings from this plant. It is very easily propagated through cutting, and for that, so let's take some cuttings from this plant. And you can see it is going to become very leggy, and we do not want it to be leggy, but it should be bushy, and all these branches, if they grow more, then it will definitely touch the ground. You can see it's only a 5-4 inch space left. Now let's take some cuttings, and I am going to cut this plant from here. You can see this is a cutting, and there are roots coming out, and this is very good cutting. And let's cut all these branches. You can see root system is developing. This is a rainy season, that's why these roots have emerged, because there is plenty of water around the plants, and plants are developing roots by itself. And let's just take some cuttings. Okay, this is good. Okay, now this is the size of our plant. Maybe we should cut it more. So viewers, you can see after taking cuttings how our plant look like. I can take more cutting, but I am not going to take more cuttings. I want this plant also look like this. Okay, now let's plant the cuttings. After taking cuttings, you should remove all the lower leaves. Here, see, this is one cutting. Let's prepare the others. You can grow this plant like this too. Oh. These are the two cuttings. This can be also grown like this. You can grow this cutting in sand soil, or you can use coco peat to get the best result. You can use the coco peat, and I am also going to use coco peat, and you can see these cuttings are very good, healthy, and they have already developed roots. You can see these roots. Actually, my garden is not receiving direct sunlight. That should be enough for flower plants to give flower. They need more sunlight for flowers, so I am going to plant foliage plants to beautify my garden, and Iresine is one of them. In my previous video you can see I am also growing coleus plant, but you can see this is very good plant. We are going to use coco peat. We are going to prepare 2 pots, and you can see there is a already plant, and you can see it has developed roots. I don't know which plant it is. If anyone can tell me, so please write in the comment. This is 1 month result. I am going to put it back and add some more coco peat, and I am going to plant some cuttings in this pot. Just put your cuttings inside. They will grow very fast. This is September month, and there is a lot of moisture in the air because there was rain recently, and we will get 100% result of all these cuttings. And you will see, I will show you the updates of these cuttings. Here is one pot is ready. There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 cuttings, and we are going to pot some cuttings in this 4-inch pot. This is a plastic pot, and let's just put our cuttings inside this pot. The Iresine plant is very easily propagated. I am doing this in coco peat, but these days you can just take cutting and put it in the ground, and you will see that this cutting will grow in the ground too. This is very hardy plant, and very easily propagate it. So these are our cuttings, and we are going to water it with fungicide mix water, and they will grow easily. So viewers, these are our cuttings. Stay tuned for update, and happy gardening. Bye.